So hi guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I have one of my dearest friends. So we happen to be friends for the last 7 to 8 years. She's Meghna. So she's a psychology major. So we're going to have a great chit chat session. And by the way, we've been friends for 7 to 8 years, but we only meet thrice a year?
Yeah.
Twice or thrice a year.
And then we debrief about everything that has been happening in our life.
So that we're going to do it for the camera today. So yeah, you're going to have fun. So let's introduce first how we became friends. So let's hear your side of the story.
Okay, so we met in a competition. We were in 11th standard.
Yes.
And I entered the room and you were sitting like in the last bench or something. And I came to you and I sat beside you, is what I remember. And then you were listening to songs and you did not have a headphone. And I offered you my headphone and you were like, no, thank you. And I was like, okay, theek hai. And then we again met on the first day. Like we were selected and everything, and then we started again.
Yeah. So,
And that's how, yeah.
and my thought for Meghna was that she is drop dead gorgeous. And by the way, it is not a competition. It's a bhagne wala competition. It was a pageant.
Pageant, correct,
Ke
yeah.
The freshers that you have in your college,
Yeah.
वैसा. So it was
Yeah.
that.
And
So
it
एक
was
तो पहले-
huge because there were like 300
More,
people
हाँ.
in the room. Yeah.
So एक तो पहले से I was under confident because एक दिन पहले ब्रेकअप हुआ है. My
Oh
God,
my.
जुदाइयाँ लंबी जुदाइयाँ चल रही है लाइफ में. And then ऊपर से मेघना मेरे बाजू में, मतलब मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि ये सबसे बड़ा कंपटीशन है मेरे बाजू में आके. मैंने कहा इतने सुंदर लोग आ रहे हैं, मैं क्या करूं? So yeah, तो फिर I had कि मतलब मेघना तो full ऐसे होगी. I'm la girl. And I thought कि she is like very bougie and all because you are very soft spoken. So my first thought was that. फिर then obviously फिर we went for the exam. हमने ये इंटरव्यूज नहीं ऑडिशंस दिया एंड देन मेरे को और किसी का नहीं था. मैं खुद सिलेक्ट हुई. दैट वाज अ शॉक फॉर मी बिकॉज 300-400 लोग के सामने. बट देन माय सेकंड ऑब्वियस थिंग वाज टू चेक कि इज मेघना सिलेक्टेड, एंड या शी वाज सिलेक्टेड. बट डिस्पाइट ऑफ it being a pageant, we never had that animosity,
never,
or that
we
enviousness.
were helping each other.
Yeah.
Because our seniors were training us. So हम उनका सुन के and then we were like ऐसे कर सकते हैं, वैसे कर सकते हैं. You were helping me with my choreography, something like that.
Songs, recommendation and everything.
Yes.
So it never came to our head, oh my God, we
Yeah.
have to be envious and everything.
Yeah, and I remember the moment that we were going on stage for performance. मैंने तुझे बोला था कि let's stay in touch कि ये
हाँ.
हो भी जाए, खत्म भी हो जाए, but we'll stay in touch together as
Yeah.
if like something was gonna happen. We would- yeah.
So yeah, but like yes, that's how we became friends. I believe that you are the only, no, not only, yeah,
college friend you were saying.
yeah, college friend that has lasted till now. And yeah,
For me it is true because I did not have any friends in
Anyhow.
college. It was just you. I stayed along and then we went ahead.
One thing that I wanted to ask कि how important for you or in general female friendships are?
For me it's very important because the kind of person that I have become, it's like a pieces of every woman that I know in my life. And the kind of person that I have become is also because of the female friendships that I have in my life, because it's beautiful. The way women support you is very different from everybody else. I mean, they will cheer you up, they will listen to you, they will understand you, they will show empathy which you need. And उसके बाद में भी they will not judge you. You will never feel judged in front of your female friends. तुम कुछ भी करके आओ, तुम इसको फोन कर दो, ये कर दो, कुछ भी गलती करो, she will be there to listen you, she will be there to understand you. And उसके बाद में वो आपको सही चीज भी दिखाते हैं कि you were wrong, you shouldn't do this. And then after a point, it just helps you grow in your life.
Thank you. I take that as a compliment.
I've learned a lot of things from you.
Yeah, thank you.
What about you? What do you think female friendship is for you?
For me, to be very honest, I have really few. Like I can literally count on them कि 1, 2, 3 and that's all. Because I only, मतलब मेरे दोस्त ही बहुत कम है. But लेकिन in generally I come across as a rude person or whatever. But I am happy because I want less drama in my life. I had a bunch of society friends when I was in school, obviously. But then I grew out of it, and now I believe the lesser people you have,
Yeah.
the less drama you have.
Yeah.
So talking about female friendships, I have only 2 to 3 female friendships, and I believe it's fun because the topics you share, everything in common. Like I can not talk to a guy about, oh my god, makeup.
Yeah.
Then we gossip a lot. Not in particularly about people, but about what's happening in Bollywood. Oh my god, the dress she wore to Cannes or to Met Gala
Yeah.
was so beautiful. Then watching shows. One thing that I've learned from Meghna is she is so focused in whatever she does. Beach mein she had this phase of reading books and
Yeah.
everything. And I tried to adapt, but I'm trying to adapt your physical, that gym wala ability also. Yeah, but I'll get there
It
sometime.
happen, yes.
So yeah, I feel female friendships are beautiful, but they're also bittersweet.
Yeah, I mean, एक इंसान का खराब होना will not justify the rest of the friendship
Yes.
that we share.
So, connecting it from the bittersweet part of my last conversation, I want to ask about what are your thoughts on औरत ही औरत की दुश्मन होती है?
I really think this is a stereotype made by people. For me, I don't think this is true. Women have been really supportive in my life. I have learned a lot from women. Both our experiences, I have had my own fair share of bullying and all of that. But then at the same time, the good experiences that I've had in my life overshadows what the bad experiences that I've had in my life.
And I also want to ask कि किसने बनाया ये like this tag कि औरत ही औरत की दुश्मन होती है? It's मतलब कि आदमी दुश्मन नहीं होते हैं आदमियों के, मतलब कि हाँ सॉरी नहीं हो सकता, आदमी तो औरतों के दुश्मन है. They want to make women's life tough.
Yeah.
So but I do believe कि obviously you have good interactions, you have bad interactions with
Absolutely.
everything. मुझे ऐसा लगता है औरतें ज्यादा आदमियों की दुश्मन है. ये जो मैन हीटर एरा चल रहा है औरतों का,
The best.
yeah. So okay. So one thing that I wanted to ask, what is that one thing that guys will never understand about sisterhood, girl best friends, anything? What is that one thing that you think they'll never understand?
I think it's the softness that women provide to, in female friendship. They're very soft, they're very nurturing, their motherhood, it shows. वो so अच्छे से बात करती हैं very nicely. And with men, it's not like that. They are, of course, good, but then in friendships, they are more brutal and they are more insensitive.
Yeah. मतलब कि they'll not give you that emotional वो.
Yeah.
मतलब कि I saw it once. मैंने reels पे देखा था कि एक लड़की अपने female friend को पूछ रही, am I looking fat? He's like, no, darling, you're looking super nice. Look at this color is flattering you. And when she went and asked to her guy friend, अब मोटी है तो मोटी लगेगी ना.
Oh God.
You don't have to be so brutal
Yeah.
on the face. So मतलब I believe that is one thing that they'll never understand, the comfort that two female friends
Women
share, because
Absolutely.
we, first of all, we share the same trauma from the society, from the judgments and everything.
So we understand what we want and then we give each other what we would want.
Yeah, because we get it. कि मतलब कि समझाना नहीं पड़ता है, we know okay, okay, ठीक है. One of the most prominent things is please check my pad. Have I leaked?
Oh my God.
You cannot do that with guys, because first of all, periods के बारे में बात करना is a very big traumatic
Stereotype.
task. And yeah, and I believe when two girlfriends are, I've heard this somewhere, when two girlfriends are very close, they are
They're
PMSing day.
Yeah. Yes.
But I don't think so that's ever going to happen with us, because I'm a PCOS girl. So that does not mean that we're not good friends. It's just that I have problems with the menstrual cycle.
It's okay.
But yeah, so these are some things and bonds I don't think so you can share with guy friends. There's
Absolutely.
a whole new, like you are a different person for guys
For women.
and for girls. Like you said once in your captions, never rude to my girls. Never rude to my girls. So do you think so that both of them are different? Okay, इसने बैग खरीद लिया, उस पे अच्छा भी नहीं लग रहा है मेरे. Soap. Auto.